Hi guys, it's Chantel again and I am back with another video. It is a unboxing slash review of a Five Below makeup palette, which it is called the Celestial Rose eyeshadow collection. It looks like this and it was $5 and I created this look with it. And I'm actually really impressed with $5 and I'll probably go back and get more. So, do you like? If you want to see how I went from that clip to this clip, stay tuned and keep watching. And also, hair review on this wig is coming soon, okay? Oh my god. I'm actually about to go curl it right now so I can go make that review. So if you see me wearing the same thing in the next video, that is why. But enough with all the talking, let's get right into this video.
I got the jack on me, I'm staring like I got the crack on me. Talking shit but it always get back to me. Making moves but you always in back of me. Come get your nigga, he tryna mack it to me like he tryna do me. Feeling for the cootie, ripping on the booty.
They're actually kind of really good, like pigmented, like for Five Below. Okay, Five Below. I might have to go back and get some more. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
this. Girl, you look beautiful tonight. Stars on the roof, they're matching with the jewelry. Damn, I hate to go psycho, the mama back.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, because it makes your girl happy. But like I said in the intro, stay tuned for the review on this wig. It is coming soon to a YouTube screen near you. Okay, but yeah. RB to my nigga Wally. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.